Welcome to TrigonTechnics. Imagine buying a brand new laptop. Two laptops are placed in front of you. One runs Windows. The other runs Linux. At first glance, they look almost identical. Both can browse the internet, watch videos, attend online classes, play music, and run applications. But when it comes to software, everything changes. So which operating system gives you the better software experience? Today, we are putting Windows and Linux into an epic 7-round showdown. Each round tests an important category that matters to students, professionals, gamers, creators, and programmers. By the end of this video, you'll know which operating system is the better choice for your needs. So let's begin. Round 1 is installing software. Let's begin with the first challenge, installing software. On Windows, installing software is familiar to most users. You usually visit the official website, download an X or MSI installer, double-click it, and follow the setup wizard until the installation is complete. Linux takes a different approach. Most Linux distributions include a software center where you simply search for an application and click install. Advanced users can also install software using package managers through the terminal with just a few commands. Windows feels easier for beginners because it's the method most people already know. Linux provides a centralized, organized, and efficient installation system that many experienced users prefer. Winner is Windows for beginners and Linux for advanced users. Round 2 is Office software. Now let's look at Office productivity. Windows supports Microsoft Office, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These applications are widely used in schools, colleges, businesses, and organizations around the world. Linux offers powerful free alternatives like LibreOffice and OnlyOffice. These applications handle documents, spreadsheets, and presentations very well and support many Microsoft Office file formats. However, very complex documents with advanced formatting or macros may not always appear exactly the same. If your work depends on Microsoft Office, Windows has a clear advantage. If you want a completely free Office suite for everyday work, Linux is an excellent choice. Winner is Windows. Round 3 is photo editing. Now let's see which operating system is better for creators. Windows supports Adobe Photoshop, one of the world's most popular professional photo editing applications. It is trusted by photographers, designers, and creative professionals. Linux provides excellent free alternatives such as GIMP and Krita. These tools are powerful enough for students, hobbyists, digital artists, and many professional creators. If your workflow depends on Adobe's ecosystem, Windows is the better choice. If you enjoy open source creative software, Linux offers amazing alternatives. Winner is Windows. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this comparison and learning something new, don't forget to support the channel. Like this video, leave a comment telling us which operating system you use, Windows or Linux, and why. Share this video with your friends who are planning to buy a new laptop. Subscribe to TrigonTechnics and turn on notifications because we regularly upload technology videos, software tutorials, Windows tips, Linux guides, AI tools, and much more. Now, let's continue with the remaining rounds. Round 4 is video editing. Let's move on to video editing. Windows offers popular professional software such as Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Linux includes powerful free editors like Kdenlive, and DaVinci Resolve is also available for some Linux distributions. For professional editing, commercial plugins, and maximum compatibility, Windows offers more choices. Linux still provides capable editing tools for YouTubers and content creators who prefer open source software. Winner is Windows. Round 5 is gaming. Now comes one of the biggest deciding factors for gaming. Windows is the preferred platform for PC gaming. Most developers release and optimize their games for Windows first. Linux gaming has improved dramatically thanks to compatibility technologies and better driver support. However, some games and anti-cheat systems still work better on Windows. If gaming is your main priority, Windows remains the stronger choice. Winner is Windows. Round 6 is programming. Now let's talk about programming. Both Windows and Linux support popular programming languages like Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and many more. Both also support Visual Studio Code, Git, Docker, and modern development tools. Linux is widely used for servers, cloud computing, DevOps, cybersecurity, and software development because of its powerful command line environment. Windows is an excellent option for beginners, students, and developers creating Windows applications. Both operating systems are outstanding choices depending on your development needs. Winner is now it's a tie. Round 7 is security and cost. Finally, let's compare security and cost. Windows is the world's most popular desktop operating system, which also makes it a more common target for malware. Keeping Windows updated and following safe browsing habits is essential. Linux has a strong reputation for security. Its open source nature allows developers around the world to review and improve the code continuously. Another major difference is cost. Windows usually requires a license on many devices, while most Linux distributions are completely free to download and use. If security and cost are your priorities, Linux has the advantage. Winner is Linux. Final score. Let's check the final scoreboard. Ease of use, Windows. Office software, Windows. Photo editing, Windows. Video editing, Windows. Gaming, Windows. Programming, tie. Security and cost, Linux. Windows is the better choice for users who want maximum compatibility with commercial software, professional applications, and PC games. Linux is perfect for users who value security, open source software, customization, and a completely free operating system. There is no single winner for everyone. The best operating system depends on what you need. If this comparison helped you, please support TrigonTechnics. Like this video. Comment below. Are you Team Windows or Team Linux? Share this video with your friends and classmates. Subscribe to TrigonTechnics for more technology comparisons, Windows tips, Linux tutorials, AI tools, software recommendations, and productivity guides. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.